Hey, Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I have yet another busy day in my life. I'm re-signing my lease because like I was with one company and then the owner went to another company and then sold the property that I'm living at to someone at the other company, and so now I've got to re-sign my renter's lease, and I'm here for another year, so that's pretty exciting, I guess. Oh my goodness. And yeah, so they're actually gonna come and fix a lot of stuff soon, and I'm sitting here like my house is a mess. And then I have my bedroom the way it is right now, so I'm gonna have to fix that soon. But yeah, it's gonna be, it might just be a hot mess, and it's gonna be fun though. But yeah, it's day 15, I believe, of Vlogmas, by the way, so there's that. Hey, your girl just did the rent thing, and she's back now. I'm tired already, and it's only 11 o'clock, and I am late for work, and I'm really digging this shirt. Gotta water this. You guys, I was looking everywhere for sugar for my coffee for work because I probably don't need any more energy, but I thought I got sugar yesterday. I was supposed to go to this grocery store and get sugar yesterday, but I didn't find sugar in my house. You know what I found? Christmas in July. This is what I found. It's delicious, and I can't believe they still have it. It even still has, it's got snowflakes on it. What is this lighting? I just wanted to share that with you. So, yeah. Hello! I am home. I am home from work, and I kind of want to put my hair up. It is hella frizzy, but that's beside the point. Today was basically package day because I left for work and I got a Birch box. I don't know if I put that clip in here. If not, I'll be right back. I got this Avene Cleanance. It's a cleansing gel. It's I've been using this for years. I actually should probably switch it up just a little bit. I think it's a micellar, but if I wash my face, it breaks out like crazy, right? So I can't do that. And yeah, so if I wash my face, I get acne. It's so backwards. I have to just use water a lot of the times. Hold on, now I'm confused because I gotta go look at the other one. I think this is a different one, and now I'm really kind of sad. Okay, so I use this, which I guess it's the same. It's just for blemish prone skin, this stuff. But I swear it said on here that it's for the body too. So like you can use it on your back and things. And then I pair it with this Vasanti Brighten Up. So like I wash my face every other day unless I'm wearing makeup, in which case I'll wash my eyes, which ends up washing my whole face. And then I do this like once a week. I think I just absolutely love how it smells. Definitely a splurge for me, but I mean, it's an enzymatic face rejuvenator enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Smells lovely, it feels lovely, and well, maybe this is the one that said for the body as well. But I got that, and my Misfits box came in the mail while I was at work. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it didn't, and I thought it was just last week that was going to be kind of funky because of the 4th of July, but I guess not. So I'm about to open it. Oh yeah, and I got, so Birchbox, when you order more than $35, you can get a mystery pack. They sent me two of the same mascaras for my mystery pack. Curling Extension Plus Curl by Marcel. My holy grail mascara is irreplaceable right now. So, I don't know. I'm gonna dig into this. I'm a little worried because last time they didn't send me a ice pack in here. And it's like 80, 90 degrees. And it's still frozen. Okay, we're good. It's good. It comes in like this recyclable paper inserts. It basically has like the recyclable packing peanuts on the inside. Here's my crackers I got. So it's not just vegetables and things. Like, oh, and they added this whole like meat section now. You have to buy 30 or more, just like the regular boxes and stuff. But this is seed flour crackers, everything crackers. Very excited about that. Oh, poor little baby cucumber. I got these cucumbers to put in like water, make little sandwiches with. Some mushrooms, some oyster mushrooms. And mind you, I got all of this for $40. I don't ever go over 40. And the minimum is 30. So I got apricots right here. And they're pretty nicely sized. Sometimes I did get a pluot last time that was literally this big. It was the size of my eyeball. I just popped that thing in my mouth like it was a grape. I was like, this is too effing cute to not do that with. Icebergy. They also have these garlic shallots, garlic shoots or something, but they taste good. They look cute. They're very curly, like they grow curly. Peach donut, like I couldn't pass it up. I couldn't pass it up, and I'm so glad I didn't. They are so cute. Look at these little butts. Oh my gosh. They're definitely super tiny, and this is the whole premise of the box. Yes, that's gonna be your box. You can't play with it yet. I always give him the box afterwards. He loves playing with cardboard. Come on, baby, off. So he's probably gonna be whining in the background. If you're wondering what that is, it's him. It's because of the box. But this is the whole premise of this box, is that it's things that are too small, maybe a little wonky, maybe a little underripe, and the farmer can't sell them to the grocery stores and stuff. And so Misfits Box rescues them and gives them to people like me, who gets them at discounts. A discount is a lovely, if you ask a me. So that's why I get this. I assume that maybe it just turned into fertilizer, you know, if we didn't eat it. Like, it wouldn't necessarily go to waste, it'll go to next year's crop. But maybe that's wishful thinking on my part. Maybe that's just me trying to be self-sustaining, even though I don't have, but would love something like that. I cannot for the life of me remember what it's called, but look at this mango. Yeah, just a honeydew melon right here, 2 pears, a clove of garlic, some more non-vegetable fruit item. I got date syrup. Like, oh wait, this actually was a bit more expensive. I think I spent like $42 on this, including the shipping and the handling and everything. But I want to try this. It says no added sugar, 100% date, gluten-free, 25% less sugar than honey. Interesting. I might bring this to my mom. It's got 2 dietary fibers, 14 grams of sugar per tablespoon. That's actually a lot of sugar, so maybe I won't. She probably wouldn't want it, but I'm about to try it. It looks like molasses. I wonder if I could put it in gingerbread cookies. Okay. It doesn't really smell like much. It tastes like molasses. I'm gonna make gingerbread cookies with this. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But the only ingredient in this is dates right here. Oh, it's pure, raw, unfiltered honey. It doesn't have the honeycomb in it. Summer flowers, 1% for the planet. A little baby watermelon. And all of this was $40. $42. Not too bad if you ask me. The next thing I got to do is, well, let's go see. This is the planner pages for the next 2 days. I think they're cute. It looks like I have to do planning pages today. I've definitely got to rearrange my whole bedroom again so that I can okay, Jelly. He absolutely loves it. But yeah, so I'm gonna put all this stuff away. I gotta clean my fridge out actually, except tonight might be that area. Just trying to throw away as much as possible, keep as much as possible. No, not keep as much as possible. Keep as much as possible to give to other people or donate. I really don't like filling the landfill, okay? It's been 2 hours, but I present to you an organized fridge. I have a lot more food than I thought I had, but here is my collection of vegetables and all that. Some cheese down here, lettuce down here, but eventually I want this to be like meats, like well, I might put back over here some lunch meats, but right now it's lettuce down there, cheese is over there, bread right there. I didn't touch this at all, but yeah, that's my Misfits Market collection. I don't think I threw away too much food either. Like, unfortunately, right here and right here, I threw away some bell peppers. I had a egg carton that I was using for multiple eggs, and that got thrown away. But yeah, I'm doing pretty good on that. Okay, this is an awkward angle, but I've got you like. Is this gonna work? I don't know, man. Okay, no, okay. Okay, I know this is an awkward angle, but like, I have it propped up on all of my stuff because like this side of my room looks like I just moved in, which is gorgeous. It's wonderful. It's gonna be cleanest ever thing. But I wanted to share with y'all this because it smells freaking amazing. Okay, it's like a floral Japanese melon, or just melon in general, a floral melon. I don't really know, but it's got like frangipani flowers on it. I don't know, but all you do is you just like you open this top piece, right, and then you know you just sprinkle some down on your floor. I'm not really filming this very well, am I? and then you have a nice light dusting of delicious smell on your floor, and you leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, and then you vacuum it up. It helps with dirt removal and stuff, I guess. I don't know. Absolute genius though, and it smells absolute beautifully. And if I could smell like this every day, I would probably try to. Which honestly, cucumber melon, Bath and Body Works, very similar. I'm old.